Let's ask this question. P implies Q and Q, does it logically imply P? I want you to fill in the truth table, and once you fill in the truth table, answer the question, is the conclusion true whenever the premise is true? If you get all yeses in these rows, then the the proof is valid, otherwise it's not valid. If you get even one no, that means the proof is not valid. This is the slide that shows the entries filled, but I don't want you to read this slide until you have finished checking, finished doing this yourself, finished filling in this truth table, and making sure that you will reach the same conclusion. And if not, you should check with me in class or put these questions on Piazza, etc. So let's consider the following reasoning. If Canada is a country, then New York is a city. We know that New York is a city, therefore Canada must be a country. We can create propositions for each one of these. We can create the proposition P implies Q, which is if Canada is country, then New York is a city. And now what is given to us is P implies Q and Q, and that will give us if Canada is a country, then New York is a city, and New York is a city. Given above, can we conclude that Canada is a country? And the answer is no, because we don't have a valid way of deriving it. It's not a question of whether Canada is a country or not. We are not asking whether the conclusion is true, but whether it follows from what is given to us in terms of premises. The point of logical implication is we're not so much concerned about whether the conclusion is true, but whether it follows from the premises that are given to us. We're basically asking the question, is the reasoning valid, and not about whether the conclusion is valid by itself. We have reached the end of this module, so I want you to do the review quiz at this point before the class. Please.